Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. I absolutely love Nespresso products. One of their products that I hold dearly is their milk frother. And this is the top to the milk frother. If you're like me, things break and you need replacements. I love that the gasket on here is super tight and it makes a nice seal so that if you're making cold or hot liquids in your frother, it's going to reach that temperature like it's supposed to. I also really like the seal that this gives and the heavy duty plastic. This is pretty thick. This cleans up very easily. You simply remove this black gasket on the outer edge. You can clean it and then you can put it back together. So overall, I would highly recommend this. It has worked out perfectly for my milk frother. It's so important to have a functioning lid for your milk frother. This adds to the coffee experience, making sure that your liquids are perfect. And so I would highly recommend, but that's just my point of view.